Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel. For today's episode, I will show you how to remove profile in Netflix. Let's begin. So, of course, you need to make sure that you're logged into your Netflix account. You can actually do this, using your mobile or your tablet aside from TV. But, doing or managing in terms of, your profiles, I would suggest you to do this on your account or on your desktop. You could actually do this on your mobile as well. But this is the, most, I would say, practical way of doing that. In case you forget after watching this video on how to remove your profile, you could always go to Help Center and do that. But today I will show you how it's done. You go to Manage Profiles and say, for instance, if you would want to remove, a profile, say for example this one, this person would be leaving out, leaving the house soon, and he's grown up and would want to subscribe Netflix on his own, and I don't want his profile to be on my account, then I will be, removing his profile. So in this case, just go to the most bottom of the page. So let me just repeat that just to make sure you know how it's done. So remember, we click on this one and then it says manage profiles, and then it will lead you here depending on how many profiles that you have. Okay. So this one. Once you do that, you click on this one. You go to the most bottom. There's like option here that says save, cancel, and delete profile. Hit on delete profile, and then you'll be able to get this reconfirmation page. If you want to delete, just hit on that. It will be removed from your Netflix account. Okay? So I hope you learned something today. If you want to learn more about Netflix, please subscribe to this channel. Thanks so much for watching. Goodbye.